Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from Paysafe to Revolut. So let's get into the video. Open up Revolut and then log into your Revolut account. So I'm just going to log into my Revolut account. So once you have logged in, so here when you get to this screen here, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on add money option. So simply select add money, and then now here what you're going to do is you're going to select the option called add card. So simply select on add card, and then now what you're going to do here is simply plug in the details of your Paysafe Mastercard. So if you want to use a transfer from Paysafe, so the only way you can do this is through the Mastercard, Paysafe Mastercard. So you need to get the Paysafe Mastercard and then simply plug in the details of your Paysafe Mastercard here and hit on continue and then complete this transaction. So by doing so, you'll be able to transfer from your Paysafe to your Revolut account through your Paysafe Mastercard. So that's how you can do this. Hope this video was helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.